If I say George Washington Carver, you might say, the peanut guy? But Carver was so much more than the 2 sentences that most people learn about him in school. So here are 5 things that gardeners should know about George Washington Carver beyond peanuts. Even as a young boy, Carver was a naturalist and was known as the plant doctor. His neighbors consulted him about sick plants even as a child, and he spent hours walking, observing, and collecting specimens. Carver was a scientist who experimented with soil enrichment, crop rotation, and natural fertilizers. Yes, he saw lots of uses for peanuts, but he also advocated for recycling, soil science, and plant hybridization. Carver was an artist who knitted and crocheted, painted, and drew. He developed a whole palette of house paint colors and urged rural farmers to paint their homes attractively. Carver was a teacher at the Tuskegee Institute in Alabama, where he worked with Booker T. Washington. He developed classrooms on wheels, bringing his lessons to farmers in the fields. Carver was passionate about what we today call regenerative farming. He wanted to make life easier for his students, black farmers, many of whom, like him, had once been enslaved, and he saw cheaper organic practices as the key. A few weeks ago, my family and I visited the George Washington Carver National Monument in Missouri. It's worthy of your time, a place to learn about the contributions of a man that go far beyond peanuts. Happy gardening.